I got my driver's license last week. Just kidding. Where am I going? Maine. So I am dropping Kaya off at Girls on the Run, and then I am leaving town, leaving the state, going to Maine for my every 18-month, this is so hard to put all the words together, my sleep consultant conference. Why is that difficult for me? I don't know. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to hit the road. I'm dropping, hang on.
Your magnificent, amazing daughter.
You ready to drop off Kaya at Girls on the Run and hit the road? I love you so much. Have so much fun and be a good girl, okay? Have fun. All right, I'm pimple patch ready, hitting the road. Literally like stayed in bed as long as I could. Washed my face, brushed my teeth, packed up the car. I've got all my stuff back here, which really you can't see a whole ton. I don't have a lot of stuff. It's, you know, I'm not really a heavy packer. I might be a little more of a heavy packer. I think I have like 5 pairs of shoes, but it's fine because I need them all. So we're gonna get gas, coffee, and we're going. Shoot, crap, pause, wait. I just realized that I forgot to grab my tripod, and if I'm gonna vlog this trip, then I'm gonna need my tripod. I'm now in the Dunkin' Donuts drive-thru line. I'm gonna get my coffee. If I'm stopping back home, I might as well get some munchkins for the kids. On with the footage. Should we take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the leaves? They're so pretty.
Hi, what can we get for you?
Hi, can I please do a medium mocha latte with almond milk? Actually, can I make that a peppermint mocha? Let me just do a 25 pack of assorted munchkin.
$12.95. You can pull forward.
Thank you. Of course, I change my order while I'm in the line. It's fine. Thank you. Thank you. You too. Oh, that was the curb. I might not be so great at this. It's fine. Okay, tripod acquired. Let's go. 2.0. Let's finally hit the road. Are you ready for it? 385 miles to go. Woo! I am excited. I love long drives by myself with this, me and my music. Yeah! Failure makes you stronger. Stand a little taller.
Take exit 20.
Ready? There's no going back. Woo! Massachusetts.
Welcome to Massachusetts.
Thank you. Oh, cute. It's the ocean. Okay, so I just got here, just got my room key. Let's go check it out. All right. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here's our beds. Cute little seating area. And the money shot. Oh, hello, beautiful ocean. We meet again. So this is our room. This is where I'm probably not gonna spend a lot of time. I am waiting for my bags because apparently there's like valet guys who bring your bags to your room, which I kind of need my bags because my battery is flashing and I need to charge up my battery and get ready. I think we're gonna go get drinks and stuff and hang out. We have a welcome meetup tonight for everybody to just kind of like say, hey, hi, we're all here. Get to know some sleep consultants that we don't know yet. So fun fact about this entire trip is that I am the virtual host, whatever you want to call it. I am connecting the people who are doing this virtually at home to us, the people who are doing this here in person. I have an extra job on top of everything else, and I will be hosting a virtual meetup today. So kind of like our welcome party, I'm hosting a welcome party for all the virtual people, and I'm really excited. So I have about 45 minutes before my first meetup, and I decided to put myself in the resort robe because why not? But I'm gonna have to get like dressed and fancy soon, but my bags aren't here. Where are my bags? I called down the front desk and they're like, don't worry, they're on their way. 20 minutes ago, where are my bags? I need to get dressed and I need my laptop, so. Do you see the ocean? That's the ocean. It's the ocean. I woke up to that. I woke up to the ocean. All right, it's officially day 1 and it is 7-ish a.m. We're getting ready to go down to the conference. And I'm supposed to be down there in like, how long do I have? Like 20 minutes? I gotta get all like mic'd up and shenanigans. So we'll see what I can get done in like 20 minutes. Give me 2 minutes to commute down there, but it's fine. I mean, it doesn't start until like 8. So we have plenty of time. It's not gonna take that long to get mic'd up. Let's get ready. Okay, I had to do like a very quick get ready. I am running late. I have to be there like 10 minutes ago to get all mic'd up and ready to be the hostess with the mostest. I have my V8 energy drink and I have a Celsius. So let's go quickly.
Welcome to our Sleep Consultant Conference. I'm so excited that you're here.
About ourselves a lot. The more you make someone go shock or fear, the more they follow. Self-doubt actually ends up being a really important clinician factor. So in the individual work I do with families.
Okay, I'm in my bed. And you may be wondering why, because I'm supposed to be at this conference, right? Well, Timmy has a neurologist appointment in 14 minutes. I snuck away from the conference. It's a virtual appointment, so I'm thankful that I can be at both things. So I'm really only missing out on a small portion. The heat just kicked on. I'm only missing out on like a panel discussion about everything that we learned today, which sucks because it's kind of like wind down, detox, ask your questions, whatever. But also this is so much more important and I'm just grateful that I can be here. And like this is kind of a stressful appointment. Like obviously anything about my kid's gonna be stressful, but to have the view of the ocean while I'm at it is just like, it's an added bonus. I'm happy about that. I'm obviously not going to vlog a doctor appointment. Yeah, so I like seriously every time I'm like right here, can you see me? No, I need to like, I haven't vlogged in so long and I need to just be like, hold you out here. All right, I'm going to this appointment now. Oh, look it, I'm the only one here. I'm early, but it's fine. And like, we know that 9 times out of 10 doctors are late. So it's kind of weird that I'm like filming myself on a camera in a camera. Weird. All right, so it's officially day 2 and we already had one of the sessions, but because I'm like running behind like I usually do, we already had one of the sessions. And now I'm doing my headshots. So here's my get up. Yay. How does that, oh wait, sorry, I don't think you're gonna have it. Up there? This one? Here, I'm totally recording this. Yeah, great. Josie, edit this out. You're gonna be sitting here. It's good to do this. I just, and you can lean forward and hand this ta-da! All right, so now. This is my test photo. We are, put this on me. We are done. This is Jillian. I don't think you've met her yet. Say hi. Hello. We're done with our extraordinaire conferencing for the day. This is how people wear these? Hold on, I gotta seriously? I don't have like one of those like things, crossbody bags. No, you do. I can't. Girl, you. I don't like being trendy. So we're done with our conferencing for the day. We're done with our educational aspect. We're going to dinner and to a 90s pajama party. So my hair is like done. Do you think I look 90s? The answer is yes. The next clips you're probably gonna see are going to be that of a dance party. So, yay. Into the party. Whoa! We are packing up to go to our last day of conferencing, and this is gonna be like a half day kind of thing. Not even, like 2 hours. We have one last workshop and then like that's a wrap. Side note, I shattered my viewfinder thing like up here last night in the bathroom. Like I leaned over and it fell out of my little hip pack and it broke. So it's okay, everything's fine, but yay, let's go, final day, still freezing, but we will survive.
What if my dog barks? What if my doorbell rings? What if this happens? What if that happens? What if there's a tech glitch and I don't know how to fit? Like, these are all the things that are going through your mind.
I mean, like, what would happen if I, like, fell right now? Better that people mocked and Elvis kept him from speaking.
It took a lot for you to get here. It took a lot, and I was actually watching that and I was like, oh my gosh, like we're here together. Here we are in this room right now, and it's amazing. And I feel like we should just do it again. I would love to have you join us in February of 2025 in Miami.
The conference is officially over. What a time. And I am ready to head home and see my babies. I actually got this, totally unrelated, this Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick, and I'm loving it. Hitting the road, heading home. It's about a 6.5 hour drive, and I am so ready to squeeze my little loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one in 2025 when we go to Maine. No, we're not going to Maine. We just went to Maine. Miami. Bye.